Hello everyone, welcome to the podcast by Dahar. Podcast is most exciting and of the most awaited podcast. Hopefully, the one that entertain you the most in between all your school assignment.
Today we're going to dive into the world of sports, a place where people can run fast, jump high, and meanwhile I can only run away from the reality.
This episode is super special because we'll be hearing fun stories from an athlete who's definitely way fitter than me. Considering I get out of breath just climbing to step off a staircase.
We're going to talk about why they choose this sport, the most absurd challenge they ever faced, and the most epic moment during their training or competition. So get ready because there will be exciting, inspiring stories, and maybe a little jealousy since their stamina is stronger than my home Wi-Fi signal.
Alright, without further ado, let's see welcome our guest for today. Hi.
Hey, come on. It's crazy. Look the door. Please, look the door first.
Please, sit down.
Yes.
For the research person, please introduce your name.
My name is Dimas Teking Pradana. I am 18 years old. I athlete badminton.
And you?
The name of Abdullah. I'm 16 years old and I'm football player. I'm playing as a midfielder, attacking midfielder and central midfielder.
And you?
My name is Muhammad Riawan and Effendi. I'm 17 years old and I'm secondary.
You?
My name is Raihan Parodi. My age is 17 years old and I am volleyball player.
Okay. This is 10 question and one question. And what made you choose your current sport? We start with Dimas.
I will share my experience about badminton.
Next. Okay, next. To Fadlian.
Okay, I choose football because I like playing it when I was since young. Oh, that's really interesting. Sounds like there's a strong reason behind your choice. You. I chose taekwondo because I enjoy sport that focus on discipline, speed, and precision. Taekwondo also helps me improve my flexibility and confidence. Next, I choose volleyball because I enjoy the fast play, the strong teamwork, and the engagement in every round. That sounds really good, and it definitely makes your journey in sport even more meaningful.
Okay, next question is what the biggest challenge you face during training in your sport?
Challenge during training is maintaining persistence, stamina, and shot accuracy.
Agree?
For me, the biggest challenge is keeping my stamina up and calling for training. But I keep trying my best.
Real?
The biggest challenge is maintaining consistency and pushing myself during top physical training.
Real?
Biggest challenge maintaining consistent and having intense physical drill like jumping and sprinting.
Oh, that's quite tough challenge. The way you deal with it really shows your strong athlete mindset.
Okay. Next question. How do you keep most memorable moment you had in training or during a competition? Dimas?
By training regularly, getting enough rest, eating healthy, and doing daily stretching. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I maintain my fitness by following regular cardio and strength workouts, eating healthy, and staying hydrated.
Real?
I stay fit by practicing regular eating healthy food and getting enough rest. I also do stretching and workouts before every match to prevent injuries.
Okay, Rehan.
I maintain my stamina by training regular, eating nutrition, food, and staying hydrated. Getting enough sleep is also essential. I always stretch properly before and after training to keep my body flexible and prevent injuries.
Oh, nice. So consistency and discipline really play a big role for you. I'm sure the listener can learn a lot from your routine. Yes, that's great.
Okay. Next to question is what the most memorable moment you had in training or during a competition? Dimas?
My most memorable moment is winning a difficult match and defeating a strong opponent for the first time.
Adrian?
For me, the most memorable moment when I scored an important goal for my team. I felt really proud.
Real?
My most memorable moment was winning a difficult match after scoring this third match game. It made me feel proud of my hard work.
Okay, next, Abba. Rehan.
My most memorable in winning a match after a big comeback with my team or teamwork felt incredible. Sure.
Oh, that's an amazing moment. Basically, something unforgettable and something that keep motivating you moving forward.
Okay, next. Quiet question. How do you feel when you represent your school or your country into a big tournament?
I very proud and more motivated to perform at my best.
Adrian?
Yeah, I feel proud and happy. Even though there's pressure, I try to play my best for school.
Real?
I feel proud and excited, but also a little nervous. Representing my school or country motivates me to give my best performance.
Next, Rehan.
Proud and excited, even though I will get a little nervous at first.
Hey, that's incredible. Representing your team or your country must be such an honor. Thanks for sharing how that feels.
Are you hungry?
Yes, so hungry, bro.
If you are hungry at first, just eat. Okay. Eat.
Saya dulu lah. Coba. Kan nggak
What is it? Play.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Come on.
It
Seriously?
seriously.
Podcast ban.
Oh.
Oha. Yes.
Nice.
Alright.
Let's grade up.
It's hungry. Why?
Wait a minute, bro.
Wait a minute.
Yes. Hungry, bro.
Oh my god.
What?
Drink.
Thank you, bro.
Hand.
Hands. Wash your hands. Very hot.
Hot.
Hanya kene.
Panas. Hot.
Allah memberikan. Before we eat, let's pray. Let's pray together. Pray. Begin. Finish.
Let's take lunch at the bar.
Coba pertama.
Yes. Yes. Eat. Yes.
It is nasi padang.
Or follower? Yes.
One bite of follow.
Nasi padang siang sore.
Yeah.
Padang sore.
Makan.
Marathon isi marathon.
Very spicy, bro.
Really good.
Really good.
Really good.
I like it.
You like it? Yes. Okay. Good. I don't know with kerupuk. Kerupuk. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes. Delicious.
Yes. Very delicious. Spicy for me.
Hot mami.
Hot. Absolutely. Oh.
Absolutely.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Okay, let's continue. The question we're eating.
What the f***?
Okay. Why? Okay.
Start.
Okay. Situation. What was Okay. No problem.
Continue.
I want to become a better player and a big team, big tournament, maybe even at the national level someday.
Oh, amazing. And Rio.
My goal is improve my skill, win more champions, and one day compete at the international level.
Rehan.
My future including the main team, compete at national tournament, and keep improving my skill.
Wow, I really hope you achieve that with the hard work you're putting in. That dream is definitely will reach.
Are you ready for my question?
I'm ready.
Or eating?
Wait a minute, bro.
Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Eating.
What
Wait
you
for
eating?
Go start.
Okay. Why?
Okay.
Okay. We are next question. Next.
Relax.
Bro, just really hungry. No. No, focus. Okay, next question. Which athlete or figure inspire you the most in sport? Dimas.
Badminton athletes who are disciplined and hardworking, such as Jonathan Christie.
Wow.
Nathan Christie, bro. The greatest of all time.
Oh, Padria.
You. For me, the
Most inspiring.
yeah. For me, Leo Messi is
Why?
because he is good. Yeah, greatest of all time.
Yeah.
Leo Messi, bro. Not only.
Rio.
Okay, next.
Okay, my inspiration is Sergio Nicolas. I admire his technique.
No.
Why? Eating. No. Speak.
What? No.
Sal.
Let's go. Why?
Okay, Rio.
Inspiration is Sergio Nicolas. I admire his technique, speed, and fighting spirit. His motivation and to train harder.
Who that? Who's that person?
Sergio Nicolas is
Dia punya gelas who? Next.
Japanese player Ran Takashi for his splendid skills and determination on the court.
Oh no.
Japan player.
Yes.
Japan player.
Jaman.
So hot.
Mihai Pak.
I don't know.
Great choice.
Not surprising.
No. I don't know. You know. I don't know. You guys know? No. Fajrian, you know?
He is a fan or
Fans, only fans.
of Pura Jawa.
It's so delicious. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay. Next. What's the question? Next question.
Okay, next question. What lesson have you learned from your sport that you use in everyday life? This.
First, discipline, next, focus, hard work, and persistence.
Okay. Next, Padrian.
For me, from football, I've learned discipline, teamwork, and not giving up easily. Those things are important of the culture.
Okay, next, Rio.
Taekwondo teaches me and discipline, respect, and self-control.
Six, bro.
Respect.
Next, Ryan.
For me, discipline, teamwork, responsibility, and mental strength.
Penalty.
Yes.
That's very relation. But people often forget to that sport isn't just about physical strength. It really has shaped your character too.
Very.
Next question.
Okay. Next question.
Again?
How? Okay.
Next.
Two question. Two more.
Bro.
Two.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Next.
Okay. How do you deal with nervous or pressure before a match?
Ranger.
For me, taking deep breaths, calming my mind, and focusing on my strategy.
Me, focus on the game, take deep breaths, and trust the training.
I calm myself by breathing deeply and focus on my strategy.
Rehan.
For me, deep breathing and positive thinking.
Wow, positive thinking.
Good. Managing your mindset before match week is absolutely key. Absolutely.
Okay. Last question.
Last one?
Last one.
Yes.
In your opinion, what's the most important thing to be successful in any sport? Gimana?
In my opinion, consistent training, solid technique, strong mentality, and discipline.
Okay. Next, Fadrian.
I think hard work, patience, and consistent practice. If you keep trying, you'll see the result.
Next, Leo.
I think the most important thing is discipline and consistency.
Okay, next,
I think hard work, discipline, consistent, and the motivation to keep improving.
and you keep improving.
Yes.
Totally agree. That's such an essential foundation for anyone who wants to be successful in the sport.
Thank you.
That's the question. Okay, that's all the question. Thank you for your opinion and your inspiring story and for sure I talk to you. I don't know again, man. Thank you. Yes,
Yes.
so continue the eating. Eat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Finish. Oh, wow.
Why? Keeping it.
You want?
Okay, thank you to those of you who have listening in podcast, and thank you for watching, and say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you guys.
See you next podcast.
Poha.
Poha. Podcast Marinda.
Let's go.